Hello students of class 6. Today I'm going to start with the chapter the universe and our solar system. So what is this universe? So universe is the place where all our planets, galaxies are present. It consists of millions of the galaxies and the age of the universe is considered to be 15 billion years, and the proof of this universe and all these things came with the help of a scientific theory. Name of the theory was Big Bang theory, which was given by Edwin Hubble. And according to this theory, that this universe or the age of the universe is about 15 billion years. And now let us see about the other elements that are present or other matters that are present in the universe. So the first thing that we are going to study today, or I'm going to explain today, is about the galaxy. So what this galaxy is, it is actually a large collection of millions of stars or clusters of stars. It consists of, so what a galaxy is actually the large collections of the millions of the stars or the clusters of stars. We have our own galaxy, and the name of our galaxy is Milky Way, and the other name of the Milky Way is Akash Ganga. So it consists of the sun, the 8 planets, including their satellites and other members of our solar system. The next is this Milky Way. What is this Milky Way? This Milky Way is actually means our sun and the planets, then the stars, etc. are the small part of a galaxy. Okay, and the galaxy and the name of that galaxy or the galaxy of which our solar system, our suns, our planets, etc. part is known as the Milky Way. So Milky Way is our own galaxy. The next point is nebula. So what is this nebula is? It is actually derived from a Latin word which means clouds. A nebula is actually a cloudy, luminous patch of a glass very similar to like a cosmic cloud, which is basically made up of dust, hydrogen, helium gas, and this all the gases that are present in this nebula, like the dust, hydrogen, helium gases, etc., they actually whirl or spin around the center, and this nebula actually contains the element which from which the stars are formed. More than one nebula is known as nebulae. So what is this nebula is? The nebula is actually a Latin word which means clouds, or so it is actually a patch of cloudy luminous patch of the gas which made up of this dust, hydrogen and the helium gases, which continuously whirls around at the center, and it contains the elements from which the birth of a star takes place. Okay, so more than one nebula, we are calling that as the nebulae. So our solar system is a part of this universe itself, and it mainly consists of 6 elements. So the name of those elements are, first of all is the stars, then the planets, then satellite, then comets, then meteors. 6 is asteroids. So all these 6 elements are making up our solar system, or these 6 categories or the 6 elements that I have written over here are the one which is the member of our own solar system. So the first member which about who we are going to learn is the star. So what is a star? A star is actually a heavenly body which has got its own light, and they shine because of this presence of their own light. The stars are actually far away from the earth. The sun is actually the nearest star of our earth, or nearest star to the earth. The distance between the sun and the earth is about 150 million kilometer, and the second nearest star that is present after the sun is the Proxima Centauri. It lies at a distance of about 4.25 light year from the earth. Okay, this Proxima Centauri was discovered in the year 1913, and its radius is about half of that of the sun. The stars are actually very large, and some of them are sometimes, some stars are present which are 100 times bigger than our sun. They are intensely hot, glowing mass which can produce huge energy, and this energy is the one because source of the self illumination or the shining of the stars. Okay, the hydrogen is actually the primary building block of the stars, and it is also the main source of the heat of the sun too. So this is all about the stars. I will continue with the next of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.